There's been some delays this week getting this video to you. I'll explain in a moment. Welcome back to a Weight Loss Wednesday vlog that's actually coming to you on a Thursday. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer who happens to be on a journey to lose 180 pounds. And this is my little pup, BG. He's a little tired, so I'm gonna let him down. Okay, so I apologize for the delay in getting this weight loss vlog uploaded to YouTube. What has happened is that my dear old Mac, and I do say old, it's 8 years old, is really struggling to edit any of my videos. And you know, a simple 2 to 3 minute video can take up to 8 hours of editing because it's just chugging along so well. So if you look at this big monster I have back here, I am in the process of getting a new computer that is designed specifically for my YouTube editing needs, and I'm really excited. It should be in hopefully in about a week, so that I will be able to bring much better videos to you. And I am really excited about that. So a little bit of announcement on the weight loss vlog series. I will probably be taking at least next week off uploading any videos because, again, I've been trained on a Mac, and this new thing coming in, I'm going to have to become more familiar with Adobe Premiere, that program. So I need a little time to get up to speed on that. But I have got a load of great videos planned for you. Seriously, this is my YouTube binder. It is filled, as you can see, with YouTube ideas, not only with the weight loss vlog, but my organizing videos. And I even have all of these filled with new ideas that we are going to be bringing to you. Okay, now before I wrap up this weight loss vlog, I have a new product that I am so excited to show you. I think you'll really be interested in this new product I developed, and I think it will be a game changer for you in the next month or two. That video will probably be coming to you on Saturday, so be sure to check back on that. Last week I was weighing 272.2, and this week I am weighing in at 271.0. So I did lose another pound this week, and I have been enjoying dancing like crazy. It is actually an exercise that I don't mind doing, and that's saying something. So anyway, like I said, there will be probably at least 1 week off from the weight loss vlog or any uploads next week. But again, there is one more video coming this Saturday, so don't forget about that. I think you will really love the product I'm going to show you. Well, that's really all I have to share in this weight loss vlog, because really, other than this chaos with my computers, I don't have a lot of other news to share. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Hold him and do this. Hey, I'm sorry this is coming to you a little late. No! Wait, let me try again. Sorry, BG, I'm getting you dizzy. I don't know what else to say. See you next time. I'll edit it in. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Here's another video I think you might enjoy, and YouTube thinks you might like this one as well. And for more organizing tips, be sure to follow me on my socials. All the links are found below.